Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to quickly and easily lock your PDF file. For that, I have created one PDF file in desktop location. Now open the browser and type iLovePDF on search bar and hit enter. Now click on first link. When the new page is arrived, little bit scroll down and look for protect PDF option. Now you can see the protect PDF available here. Click on that button. Now you can click on select PDF. Select the PDF file from your computer and click on open. Now you can see we have the option to enter the password. Please enter the password and retype the password. After entering the password on both the field, click on protect PDF. Now click on download protected PDF. And the PDF will be downloaded in the download folder. Please navigate to download folder. Open the PDF. Now you can see we have the option to enter the password here. Now you successfully secured your PDF file. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.